Good morning, dear students. Welcome to the home mentoring session of accountancy. Myself, CSK Khanna from the SD Vidya School, Ambala, Kent. Dear students, in our previous class, we had learned theoretical aspect relating to the cash book, what a cash book is there. So today we will learn the numerical aspects relating to the cash book, that how a cash book is prepared. Dear students, as you all know, that cash book is a very important subdivision or part of journal which records only those transactions which are undertaken in cash or in terms of the bank transactions. So cash book records cash transactions as well as the bank transactions. Now understand, with reference to the numerical problems, that cash book is prepared on the basis of the principle of very simple real account, which states that debit what comes in, credit what goes out. What it means, that whenever the cash is received in the cash or in the bank, it will be debited, and when the cash is paid or when the bank balance is reduced, it will be shown in the credit side. I also share with you what the contra entry is there and under what situation it is to be recorded. Contra entry means an entry which involves cash as well as bank account, and it is recorded on both the sides of the cash book, that is to the debit side or to the credit side. Now with reference to the preparation of the cash book here, we first understand how we will prepare the single column or one column cash book or the simple cash book. Basically, while preparing the cash book, we can divide it into three different categories. First type is called the simple cash book or the one column or the single column cash book, which means that it records only and exclusively cash transactions. That means only the cash receipts and the cash payments. It does not record the bank transaction. Second category of the cash book, where we prepare to the cash book with reference to the bank transaction, we call it as the two column cash book. Here we also include the bank column. Along with the cash transactions, the bank transactions, they are also being recorded in the cash book. So that is known as the two column cash book, where cash column along with the bank column is also prepared on both the sides of the cash book, that is on the receipt side and the payment side, that is debit side and credit side. So there is the other way we can prepare the cash book, that is the petty cash book, something different. We will understand later on how that petty cash book is prepared. So first we will understand that how the simple or the single column cash book is prepared, where only and exclusively cash receipt and cash payments are shown. See here that this is the format of a simple cash book. Here first column is of the date, then of the particulars, then LF means ledger folio, page number of the ledger. Here the cash column is there. Again the same column are there in the credit side. Left side is the known as the debit side or the receipt side. The right side is known as the payment side or the credit side. See, same four columns are here and same four columns are here. Four columns are in the debit side and four columns are in the credit side. Now please understand that this is known as the debit side or receipt side, which means this side will record all the cash receipts. This side is known as the credit side or the payment side, and this will record all the payments which are made in the cash. Please understand that it is a simple cash book, as the heading is given, cash book of only one column. When we will prepare the two column cash book, we will also one more column to debit side as well as to the credit side of the amount, that is of the bank. So there we would have the bank column also here in the debit side, and credit side also we have the bank column that will record all the transactions which are undertaken with the bank, but that will be in the two column cash book, where two columns are drafted here, one for the cash and other for the bank. So here we will prepare and learn how we will prepare the simple cash book. When you go for this, you would find that this is a format of a simple account. 4 columns in the debit side, 4 columns in the credit side. I told you that this is prepared on the very basic principle of real account, debit what comes in, credit what goes out. Now, how the simple cash book is prepared? Let's understand one by one. It may start with the opening balance of cash. If the balance of cash is given, we will write here to balance BD. If balance of cash is not given, then we will start according to the transactions. At the end, you would see here that there is balance CD, that is the closing balance. So let's understand transaction wise how this is prepared. Commenced business with cash. Now please understand, keep in mind that for every transaction you could have a journal entry in your mind, and you would have a posting of this journal entry here, consuming to the cash. Understand? What you have to do, you have to just journalize the transaction, and when there is journal entry and involve the cash, you would have to make the posting of this here. For example, in the first transaction, commenced business with cash rupees 25,000. Journal entry will be cash account debit to capital account. Now when we post this entry in this cash book, reverse we will write here to capital account. As the cash comes in the business, we will write here rupees 25,000 to capital account, rupees 25,000 on account of the cash received. Then bought goods for cash, that is the purchases, it is the payment. Journal entry will be purchases account debit to cash. We will write here by purchases 10,000. Just one fundamental principle keep in mind, that it is a cash book and it records only the cash transactions. Only here means only and exclusively cash transaction. No credit transaction, no outstanding transaction. Any transaction should be recorded in this. So just you have to record only the cash transaction. So bought goods for cash 10,000, it will be shown in the payment side. By purchasing 10,000. Likewise, we will proceed for all other transactions. I will continue in my next video to the remaining part of this question.